What is up, guys? 𝐷𝐄𝐀𝐶 here with another reaction. And today, guys, today we are doing a Morrisson Gulag featuring M24. Gulag means Gulag from Warzone, from Modern Warfare Warzone. One time you play Warzone and you're dead, you're going to the Gulag. If you win the Gulag, you get back to go into the game. If you don't win the Gulag, you have to leave the game. You can spectate other people, which me not spectate nobody. Me not watch no boy. You know what? So before we do anything else, let's do this, man. Alright, now we're back, now we're here. So as you know, it's Morrisson and this guy have some numbers online. The views are go up, I don't know what to expect. First I see it, first I hear it. Let's jump straight tonight and see what it's about. It's all, I think it's gonna be some war thing, cause Gulag is all about modern warfare, man. Let's go, man. Okay. Okay. Start off with some war thing. Okay. So the Gulag in the man. Gulag. I'm just checking him gaming setup. If this is a gaming setup. Basic gaming setup. Let's go.
It's the Hocus Pocus Harry James.
Newham, London. Fresh at the Gulag. So him got the Gulag, him fresh at the Gulag now. Boss represent for him country with the Union Jack flag. That's the Union Jack, right? Yo, me like how the UK artists them a step up them video quality. You see me? Them creativity, me like it.
Yo, I'm fresh at the Gulag, like everything Chris like Eubank.
Fresh at the Gulag, everything Chris like Newbank. Fresh at the Gulag, let's go.
I was down and out hard times, man, had to get through that. I double tap that picture. Now look at her, she thinks she's cute now.
I remember when them things them made it down and out, like that's it. Them write me off like a car where does crash on the M25. Them write me off. But now, look at me. I'm up. You see me, man? Get through that. Be a gun there, still now. Be a gun there,
She's cute. She's a 6 out of 10. But man, still run through that. Why?
What's about the girl?
I think she's cute now. She's a 6 out of 10. But man, still run through that.
Man, so she thinks she cute. Remember, say me tap it. She thinks she cute. Yo, me I give her 6 out of 10. Man, still I run through that. Nah, partial, nothing.
Cause I'm fresh at the Gulag.
I like this concept. The concept is the same thing. A while ago, it was in the Gulag. Him just win the Gulag. And now him a parachute back into the game. Me like this.
I'm fresh at the Gulag.
This is very good.
I'm fresh at the Gulag.
This is very good. This is top marks, brother. Top marks.
Fresh at the Gulag. I'm fresh at the Gulag. Yo.
Him just land back into the game now. Yo, me like the concept of the game, brother. The concept, Morrisson. I like the concept of your game, brother. I like the concept of your video, my fam. Let's see what y'all say now.
I was down and out, now I'm back on my feet and I'm fresh at the Gulag. Back then it was bag it, move that, birds got caught, then flew like Wuhan.
Back then it was bag it, birds get cut, then flew like who?
My feet and I'm fresh at the Gulag. Back then it was bag it, move that, birds got caught, then flew like Wuhan.
Back then it was bag it, cop it. So basically the jugs him attack, but no, him not the Gulag. Yes. I'm fresh out of the Gulag, you know him say. You see me? Let's go.
That white way busting my gun on my ghost face, killer shit, something like Wu-Tang. Who's that up over there? Luke boot that SIR now, pack your bags and move out.
Violence. So basically, the scene, the setup at the Gulag, at the game, at the Modern Warfare Warzone, this at the game.
Eminem is the hardest in rap. I'd rather listen to Tupac. Try shoot at me.
What I'm saying?
To move out. Eminem is the hardest in rap. I'd rather listen to Tupac.
Eminem is the hardest in rap, but I rather listen to Tupac. Cause you don't say Tupac are the gangster rapper, but big up Eminem still. Eminem I'm a rapper, I rate Eminem.
Try shoot at me, man, shoot back, boom bam, real bad man, don't do jack. I got
Hey boy, you try shoot after me. Let me break down the wrist now, man. You try shoot after me, boy. Me pop off and me shoot back. Real bad man not do chat, brother. Me no worry for chatting thing, brother. Me no radio, brother. Me no chat like speaker, brother. Me no chat like Radio 1, brother. Me no chat like BBC One Extra, brother. Me no chat. Brrr. No, brother. Me no worry for chatting thing. Me no bad man. Bad man.
got so much ops, I need 2 straps. I got so much bricks, I need 2 traps. I got so much cash, I need 2 banks.
Yo, me have so much strap. Me have so much ups, me need 2 strap. You see me? Me have so much drugs, me need 2 trap. You see me? Me have so much money, me need 2 bank. Cause 1 bank can't hold my money. 1 house can't hold my drugs. You see me? Yeah. 1 job. Yo, what?
I done so much dirt with these 2 hands. I came a long way, now I'm fresh out of Gulag.
Not because you see me and them clean. Whole heap of dirt there for my hands. Whole heap of dirt there for my hands. I've done so much dirt with these 2 hands. It's unbelievable. I'm fresh out the Gulag. Let's go.
Back then it was Bally's boot that. Now we got a hold of the ends like New Jack. Yeah, still out.
Me get the part you know. Back then it was Ali something. No, let me say, well, me no want.
I'm fresh out of Gulag. Back then it was Bally's boot that. Now we got a hold of the ends like New Jack. Yeah.
Back then it was Bally boot that. Now we got all of the ends like New Jack City. Where's the Snipes? That movie, yeah? Yeah, that's what I refer to. All of the ends are theme. Remember in New Jack City, if you haven't seen that movie, go watch it, the classic. The boss take over the whole black, the whole city of theme on, not chat.
Still out here living that thug life, but I'm seeing changes, sound like Tupac. Now I got Bear Man's girl trying to broke out, move that, JB still trying to shoot that.
Yeah, right now me have enough man get a try. Break out. Break out. Girl, when you run with the man, them out the road, no stop one funny man joke. Man, I say, yo, me have whole heap of girl after me right now, brother. Me can't count them on 1 finger. Enough girl want me now. And you see me? Yeah, dog.
Any L I talk, I won that back. So pull that block, then I spun that back. Get money for arts, man, I love that chat.
Yo, that video bad in a dog. That video well prepared, brother. I'll parachute the man jumping and you say, what go on, dog? Yo, be like this. Me like that video.
I love that chat. Yes. If I get violated, I'm coming back. So I always gets got when I come and slap. Call him on a lack now, he's trying to rap.
This is a M24. The man say, yo, if we get the chance, there's a very slim chance. If you get that chance to violate me, I am me get you from you. And you not kill me, just know say I am forwarding back. When me forwarding back, I'm not writing no letter. I'm not asking for a letter of apology. Just know, say brother. You gotta pick up some cans, some grain, some slugs. Just know that, bro.
You bank, they thought I was down and out. Hard times, man, I had to get through that. I will take that picture. Now look at her, she thinks she's cute now.
Man, I seen body girl again. Look at her, she thinks she cute now. Girl ain't no cute. You're ugly like.
She's cute, she's a 6 out of 10. But man still run through that. Why? Cause I'm fresh out of the Gulag.
The man say, yo, she's 6 out of 10, but me still I run through her. Cause me fresh out of the Gulag. Me need to release the grease, to release the aisle. My aisle cake up in my back. Me need to bust a nut. That's what the boss has said. 6 out of 10, but me still a knock it. At least she's not 4 out of 10 still.
I'm fresh out the Gulag. Fresh out the Gulag. Fresh out the Gulag. I'm fresh out the Gulag. Fresh out the Gulag. Fresh out the Gulag. I'm fresh out the Gulag.
Yeah, which part of video you shot? Where them shoot the video? Can someone please leave in the comment section where this video shoot? Cause them big gun here will look many for replica them are what? But the fact that the submarine is there, them parachute down out of the sky. There must be some army base or something. But it look, yo, budget is like budget high pan a video, MG.
Fresh out the Gulag. I'm fresh out the Gulag. Fresh out the Hard work pays off, but they just think that it's glitz and glamour.
Hard work pay off. Work hard for whatever you want to do. Don't feel like glitz and glamour when time you see me up. Don't feel like glitz and glamour when you see me up and do my thing. It never come easy, brother. I have to work hard. Enough sleepless night.
Pays off. I'm fresh out of Gulag, yes. But I still got a grip my hammer. Things weren't always sweet. Now I'm in a big boy Benz like Spragger.
Bop, 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 bop. Yo, right now I have to grip my hammer. things not always sweet. But right now, me in the Benz. Like Spragga Benz. See Spragga Benz here. Spragga Benz. The Jamaican legend, the dancer legend. Spragga Benz. Me like how you show homage to Spragga Benz, my G. Big up yourself, bro.
Talk tough, but that shit don't matter, cause it was always us man causing passer. Wouldn't risk paid off, but they still think it's been hunky-dory.
Hey boy, you talk tough, dog. But I always we a cast the passer. I be a chat, dog. That's how the man I said, not me. Big up M24. Big up yourself, bro.
Back days, man, used to live poorly, homeless, sleeping on the back of a Geordie. I come on.
Back of a Geordie? What is the back of a Geordie? What, can someone leave in the comment section what I mean by that, back of the Geordie? So basically, he must say he was homeless, but then he was sleeping in the back of a Geordie. What is a Geordie? I don't know what a Geordie is, bro. Can you explain to me?
Long way from scummy little Morrisson, Willie and Morley. Sad from young, they've been doubting me, but proven I'm wrong, will never get born.
Oh, that's a deep, you know? Right, that's a deep. Watch again, look again.
Little Morrisson, Willie and Morley.
Look at Murray and Willie and Morley.
From young, they've been doubting me, bro.
Alright, so these three little boy here, these three little boy there, I gonna grow up to become, watch what happened,
Proven I'm wrong, will never.
You see what happened a while ago? Three little boy them there. Him in the middle. Next youth over here, so. But this one passed away. One of them passed away. It's deep. It's deep.
Get born. I'm surrounded by drillers and trappers, fake rappers, them and cappers. Now I got these bad bees to the slot man. I'm surrounded by real life slappers.
Man say him surrounded by the gangster them, by the G them. No fussing no there, so no bitch no around here, so brother. You see me? Him surrounded by the bad girl them too. You see me? Real life slappers. Know that.
Best one, but a 6 out of 10. Yes. But she got a 10-10 back, cause what's the
what?
Surrounded by real life slappers. This one, but a 6 out of 10. Yes. But she got a 10-10 back, cause what's
that girl is a 6 out of 10. Remember I'm telling her already, she's a 6 out of 10. But don't get it wrong. Her back off, her bumper, her body, 10 out of 10. So we can quickly bag the face. We can quickly put something over her face. You see me? That's how the boss I said. Him not if you see the face. She look good from far, but far from good. Let's go.
What's with the talk? What's with the chat? Make raps for the fam, that's the shit that matters. She wants to chill with the new room generals. No, honey, we don't chill.
So chill with the new room generals. No, we don't chill. See, boss, I jump out that plane, man.
Chilling with snakes is dangerous. That's the same shit that got mate killed. I didn't have a penny till I whipped that food and I made that meal. I got.
Chilling with the snake is dangerous. We all know that. It's very dangerous. Man say never have a penny until him whip that food and make the first meal, dog. The meal the man make, dog. The man I tell you about 100,000, brother. The man I tell you £1 million sterling.
English girls with African backs. I don't give two fucks if they're fake or real.
What I'm saying?
Whip that food and I made that meal. I got English girls with African backs.
You have English girl with African back. You know, so the African girl, them body big. Back off, sexy. You have English girl with African back. That is a good mixture, brother. You don't know the curves are in the right places. You see it? Cause you have some girl that say, oh, she's curvilous. How curvilous are you? Too curvilous. Curve should be in the right place, not the wrong place. Your bum should be where your bum should be, not where your belly should be. Curve are in the wrong place. That is not curve. That is swerve. Let's go.
I don't give two fucks if they're fake or real. Now everything Chris like you, bang. They thought I was down and out. Hard times, man, I had to get through that.
Yo, I like that video, dog. The man, them out on the sea from the submarine, brother. Like, one more than this. And this is not Photoshop. This is not camera trick. This is real life shit, bro.
Get through that, we'll tap that picture. Now look at her, she thinks she's cute now. She's a 6 out of 10. Man, still run through that. Why?
Yo, the boss, them do them thing, dog. The boss, them do them thing, brother. Them do them thing, dog. Right, there's a rocket going off in the background. Look on the rocket here. There's a rocket going off. Look on the rocket here. What a rocket? Now look at her, she thinks she's cute now. She's a 6 out of 10. Man, still run through that. Why? Because I'm fresh out the Gulag. Yo, that video well put together, dog. Morrisson, make up yourself, G. Fresh out the Gulag. 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 Which part of video you make? Some part of it look like a London, some part of it, I don't know which part of it. Let's go. This is a London. This is a London? Right, it's a London?
I'm fresh at the Gulag. Fresh at the Gulag. I'm fresh at the Gulag.
You rock it there.
Fresh at the Gulag. Fresh at the
fresh at the Morrisson, big up yourself, dog. You have numbers pan line. You have numbers pan line, brother. You sang them a grow, brother. You see me? This is the second song me react to with your brother. I'm like, you sang them, G. You ever have some gun in your video, them, bro? You ever have gun in your video? And some ras gun you have in your video, them, too. And a joke gun, brother. Guys, if you enjoy this reaction, if you enjoy this video, please leave a like on the video. Please subscribe if you're new. Please let me know what song to do next. Also, I check Grime Daily. I'm see some girls are war upon it. Some girls are war, Norley or whatever them name. I don't know what them name. If you know want see me do a reaction from the war start until up to date, and let me know in the comment section. You see me? But guys, thanks for watching, man, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right. Peace.